Hello everyone, I will share today how to join a meeting in Teams. This video is especially for the students, the younger students, those who cannot go easily and join meetings with their teachers. It's very easy and simple. So your teacher or your school might have made one email ID or your organizational's email ID for you, like my organization has made Microsoft Office 365 and Outlook. So it's very easy. So I will go to first to my Outlook and sign in. You will find that after opening Outlook, there is one notification on the right side which tells you that your teacher has designed a meeting. See, if you see here Teams tutorial at 7:30 p.m., it means teacher has scheduled a meeting at 7:30 p.m. If you click this one, right way it will take to you to the Microsoft Teams, and from there you can join the meeting. Other option is you can go to Teams, and from Teams, it's taking a little while. There we go. Now I have opened the Teams. If you go to calendar, and on this side you will see teacher has scheduled a meeting. You can go either way. So if I want to join the meeting, I will click join, and so this is how we can join the meeting. Join now, and it will directly take you to the meeting. If your teacher is online, right away you will join the teacher. So this is very easy to go, and from this point you can hang up or you can cancel the meeting as well. One thing I want to share is sometime it may happen that your teacher wants to uh, have a meeting with everybody in the class. In that case, you will get a notification and you will hit that one, and you will go to the whole class, and whole class will get a chance to talk to his teacher. It may happen that your teacher does not want to talk to everybody. Teacher does not want to have a meeting with everybody. Maybe your teacher has divided you into two different groups, and teacher want you to join meeting only in group, that's per specific group. Say in this example I will show that teacher has made two different groups, and now teacher has scheduled a meeting with group one only, and you will get a notification to join meeting one only. So again I will go to Outlook, and same way you will see on the right side, and you can also see that Teams tutorial has designed a meeting, and it says that group 1 meeting. You can join it from here, or you can go to Teams as well. Again, you will go to Teams, and as a student, you can see or you may not be able to see all the groups. It depends if your teacher has given you permission to join all the teams, all the groups or not. Like if you see there are two groups, one is group 1 and group 2. Now your teacher want you to join group 1 and group 2, and if you go to calendar, and on the bottom you will see group 1 meeting. In this case you cannot go to general meeting, so you have to go to your group only, otherwise you will keep bugging around and you may not find your teacher. If you go group 1 meeting, and same you can join here. Another thing which I want you to share is very important: how to go and find stuff which your teacher want to share. Say you are in group 1 and your teacher has shared any file with you and you want to access that file. Now you will click your own group and you will go to files, and you will notice that your teacher has shared one file here, and you can click that one. Maybe you are in a group 2, your teacher will tell you that whether you are in group 1 or 2, and you go to files and you will find your stuff here, and you can access your You can see your stuff here. Maybe your teacher has shared some stuff in the main group, that is the general group, and you can go to files here, and you will see some files are here and you can access those files in the same style in all these three groups. Now I have one is general group, group 1 and group 2. In every group you can chat as a big group with your teacher by post, and you can start a new conversation. It may happen that you don't want, or your teacher does not want you to chat in a big group. Teacher may chat you separately, and in that case, or if you want to chat to teacher separately, go to chat, and this way you will start a chatting with your teacher, and you have to join the chat. So I hope this will help you. This is very easy tutorial, and this will help you to go for meetings. So you can go to your group, make sure you go and join meeting in your own group, and you can access the files in your own group. And I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much.